In this video tutorial, you are going to learn about routing in Angular JavaScript. Hi, my name is Aishman and welcome to Skills Grow. What is Angular Router? Angular Router is an official Angular routing library written and maintained by the Angular core team. Angular supports single-page applications using routing module. This routing module acts based on the URL. As we know, Angular can build single-page web applications. It is a web app that loads a single HTML page and dynamically updates that page that the user interacts with. For Angular routing, HTML is the platform. Now, let's look into the terms and concepts. The first one is router service. In Angular applications that uses Angular router only has one router service instance and it is a singleton. Whenever you inject the router service in your application, you will get access to some Angular router service instance. Router state. The state of the router at some point in time is expressed as a tree of activated route snapshots. Activated route snapshot. It provides access to the URL parameter and data for a router state node. Here, in this picture, we can see how routing works. Whenever we search for something by typing it in the URL bar, the page sends a request to the web server, and the web service gives the information in the form of a new page. In this way, routing works. But where does it go? This routing process goes in the application and it needs a container to put the content provided by the routing. And this container is the ngview directive. There are three different ways to include the ngview directive in our application. These are given below. First one is the ngview used as directive. And the second one is ngview used as a tag. And the third is the same ngview used as a class. This image shows what is SPA, a single page application. Single page application is a web application that loads single HTML page and dynamically updates that page by sending and retrieving the HTTP requests as the user interacts with the page. Now, we shall look at some other terms in routing. Route provider. Route provider can define what pages to display when a user clicks a link. Controller. With a route provider, you can also define a controller for each view. Template. The template allows you to write HTML directly in the property value and not refer to a page. This routing flow shows that how routing works. When we enter the URL, that URL goes to the location, and the location goes to the route provider, and finally it is shown in the application. This is all about the basics of routing. Thank you for watching the video and see you soon.